Yeah. Now let's implement Apache Airflow diagram for our DBT. So before running this DBT, what I'm going to do is I am going to I am going to remove gold layer tables. I'm going to remove gold layer tables. Okay. First, let's remove gold layer table. Okay. First, let's remove tables of gold layer. Okay. Let's see drop table, drop table, table name gold underscore others, drop table, table name gold DB dot gold others. See, it's a view. Okay. So drop view. Next, drop view of daily underscore sales. Drop view of monthly underscore sales. Drop view of customer underscore sales. Now let's execute this select query. You are not going to see any data. Yes, sir, because table is not present. Okay. So first I'm dropping all the existing views. Now, once I run this airflow, once I run this airflow, these tables should be going to create. Yes or no? So now let's first go to our airflow. So we already created airflow. We already installed airflow. Okay. Let me go to our airflow location. So go to C drive, go to airflow. In the airflow, Docker-compose, Docker-compose, observe where we are going to place our files. Under airflow, DBT. Under OPT, under airflow, DBT. Let's see the files. Under airflow, under airflow, under DBT. Let's remove DBT underscore project. Let's under DBT. Under DBT, we are going to place all our script files. Script files, okay, SQL files we are going to place. So under Airflow, we are going to create one more folder. Here, we are going to create one more folder, DBT. Under DBT, we are going to place all our SQL files. So these SQL files. Okay, let's go here, go to workspace, go to workspace, under workspace, data engineering, under data engineering, snowflake data engineering, in this DBT underscore project, in this retail underscore orders, in this first models, in the models branch layer, we created this SQL file. Copy this SQL file. Place this SQL file under C drive, Airflow, DBT, place our SQL file, branch layer SQL. Similar way, let's place silver layer orders file. Copy this one, place this file here. Next, place gold layer SQL file. So these are SQL files. Gold layer orders, gold layer monthly sales, daily sales, and customer wise sales. Place these 4 files in this location. Okay. Go to code here. Go to code. Create one .py file, retail underscore orders underscore snowflake underscore dbt dot pipeline file, where we have to create this one under DAX folder. Go to Airflow, under DAX, you have to create one file. Let's say open this file. Let's place save this file. Control save as. Then save this file with this name, retail underscore dbv file. Go to this location. Let's remove this new document. Okay. In this location, place this complete code. Place this complete code. First, load underscore raw. Control N. Search. So we are executing load underscore raw. So we are executing insert into raw underscore db, raw underscore address. So this one is not required. Low underscore table is already completed, loaded. We no need this one. Okay. Let's remove this operator. We no need of this load operation. Okay, first we need to run this one. we need to run uh, this one. So first we need to enter into this DBT. In this, in this we have DBT bill, DBT bill, DBT test. Okay, no. So let's implement Apache. So this is our project structure. I copied my project from local directory under Airflow, under Air. I copied my project folder, which contain complete logics, which contain complete logics. Okay. So then I'm writing log. Then I'm writing before before executing this DAG files, we need to install this libraries. We need to install this DB libraries. So what I am doing under under file, I am adding these requirements location. I am asking Apache Airflow to install. So what I am doing before running my Airflow, Apache Airflow, if there is any Apache Airflow image, I am removing that Airflow image. Before that, you have to start Docker compose. Okay. Now let's execute to this one. If there is any Apache Airflow, then it is going to down because we added pip install in that environment. Now let's install Apache Airflow. Let's install Apache Airflow. Before that, I am executing this command. Suppose build hyphen no hyphen cache. I am executing Docker up hyphen do. This is going to create a Docker image with Apache Airflow. Whatever parameters we provided in this Docker compose.yaml file. Docker hyphen compose.yaml file. Let's wait few seconds. Click on allow. I want to verify. I want to verify. Docker is installed into Apache Airflow or not. For that, we are going to execute this one thing. Docker-compose, Docker execute IT Airflow scheduler data bash command. It is going to execute bash command. Then in this bash command, one minute. So here it is going to check scheduler bash. Is there any scheduler bash? Airflow container, Airflow scheduler one. Then another one, web server. So let's say Airflow scheduler one. Still no. So let's say Airflow. Okay, it is connected. Now let's execute dbt version. Check dbt version. So it is saying bash dbt command not found. Okay, let's exit. Now let's check instead of Airflow, let's check another one, web server, Airflow web server one. Then check dbt dbt version. So dbt this command can be run from anywhere because we installed dbt, right? No, dbt we installed in the Airflow image, not in particular folder. So we can execute from anywhere. So if it is not installed, let's say install using these commands. Let's say try to execute this command pip install. Requirements already satisfied. Are you seeing? It means it is already installed in our mission. Okay, it's already installed. Let's see. Those packages already installed. So you no need to manually install. Only one thing, DBT is not presented. That is the reason. But for for running DBT scripts, whatever required, those are installed. You no need to manually install. If you want to install, you can install DBT using this pip install. You can install pip install DBT on Snowflake. This is not required because we are not developing DBT scripts. These are for developing DBT scripts. Still, let's try to install these two files. Okay, now let's try to scheduler bash. Okay, no problem. Let's try our airflow airflow. So let's see here. Let's open airflow web UI. Localhost to dot localhost to dot 8080, right? 8080. Okay, let's docker-compose docker space compose docker compose restart. So it is restarting this one. Then check status. Yeah, no need. Now let's wait for complete this restart. Okay, if it is still facing issue, what we are going to do is we are going to down docker. Next, let's try to up docker file. Let's wait few seconds. And then once Docker image is started, then open this localhost to 8080 folder. Let's wait to start this airflow. Let's wait few seconds. You can check Docker hyphen ps, Docker compose ps. So these are processes running. Let's do localhost 8080. Let me remove this one, additional requirement parameters from .n. Let's Docker compose, compose, Docker compose, down, Docker compose, up, hyphen D. Before that, let me open our Docker hyphen compose.yaml file. In this, we are creating a flow. In this, we have to create one more folder. Folder name retail underscore dbt instead of this one. We have to create this file. So let's down. Before that, let's save this Docker hyphen compose. Let's start. Let me open localhost 8080. Let's wait few seconds. Start. Yes. Yeah. Hi. Yes, tell me. Yeah. Tell me things. Hello. Tell me Dinesh. Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me Dinesh. Okay. Okay, project we already completed. There is no pending. So we successfully executed all DBT scripts. If you want to wait to resolve this airflow, you can, but there is no requirement for airflow. I'm checking airflow is, I'm trying to run this airflow, but I'm getting issue. So this one is not required. We already completed executing DBT scripts. Yes, same we executed in snowflake, right? Same thing I'm trying to execute here. Maybe, yeah, airflow is not working due to some other reason. Same airflow script, what we run for snowflake, same airflow script. It is not working here. I don't know what is the reason. I'm trying to resolve that, but our project related we have done. Yeah, you can share if you have any questions, you can share to Kalyan. If you do not right now, if you have any questions, you can share to Kalyan. I can prepare, then I can say.